Welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to delete Python from a PC or laptop. If you're ready, as a first step, type Control Panel into the Windows search bar and open it. Then click Uninstall a program. Next, find Python in the list and right-click. If you have more than one Python version installed on your computer, they will each appear separately. Right-click the Python version you want to remove and select Uninstall. After clicking, the uninstallation process will begin automatically quickly. Once the process is complete, you can also uninstall Python Launcher from the Uninstall a Program list by following the same steps. I hope this step-by-step tutorial on how to delete Python from a PC or laptop was helpful. If it was, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.